Yo, what's up YouTube? Got a video here for you guys. Unfortunately, it's not my normal drift day video, so I'm going to give you guys some voiceover, and got some clips playing in the background for what my friend got during the weekend. So this is Northeast Drift Co. Shred Wars. We ended up learning a lot about the car this weekend. There was, mainly the tires and the fuel. So with tires, we showed up with 235 200 treadwear tires up front, 651 acceleras, and we had Ironman 245 in the back, which is 400 treadwear. The car was very hard to drive this weekend, at least during the first half of the first day. It wanted to over-rotate and kind of, transitions we had to slow down, or else we're going to over-rotate. Until I upped the PSI in the front, we went up to, I believe, 45 PSI at first. We upped the dampening up front, and we also softened the dampening out back. And that ended up making the car drive a lot better for the first half of the first day, or the last half of the first day, sorry. So you can see the car's pretty dialed here. I was trying to do dirt drops like all weekend, basically. Was doing pretty good. Wasn't really doing dirt drops, more like just brushing the dirt off the edge of the track. But consistency was getting there. So on the next day, we ended up actually airing up the front tires more to 50 pounds, and that made the car feel so much better. Let the front tires slip at angle, which is that's how I like to drive in the simulator. So I set up the Z to be that way, and it works out really well. So we discovered basically I really should be running the same tires front and back. I did get this to work, but it's definitely not ideal. And because of these tires, basically opened up a whole other wormhole, being fuel cut. So fuel cut was another issue that we had to deal with over the weekend. It was happening a lot sooner, so at three quarters of a tank, it would start fuel cutting because I was moving a lot faster throughout the course and using up a lot more angle than I had at previous events. So fuel cut was also an issue. Thankfully, there's gas stations, real close to the track, so really not that big of an issue. But if I can find a way to bring some gas with me to events, maybe like Lock City, where like there I gotta drive out like 10 minutes to a gas station, and that's a lot of seat time lost. So but yeah, those are like the two big things about the car that we ended up figuring out, and the car did great throughout the whole weekend, running 2 run groups throughout the entire weekend between 2 drivers. Didn't end up overheating at all, so that's awesome. Just again, the boiling power steering. So a bit of a different video today for you guys. I'm hoping that this voiceover is helping with some context, but unfortunately no vlog this time. So I'll catch you in the next one. It's going to be a drift day at Lock City. Do have that one already good to go, so I'll probably end up posting that tomorrow. And we'll continue picking up these videos as normal. Hopefully GoPro hangs in there. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.